Hello everyone, we're going to get started on our paper bag football. The materials we'll be using are tissue paper, brown paper bags, white crayon, and a stapler. Or if you want, you can use tacky glue. We're going to use a stapler. The first step we'll be doing today is we'll be creating the laces onto our paper bag, all right? So if my assistant will come a little closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. Start off with a large rectangle. I'm just gonna color that in. Oh, sorry about that, I broke my crayon. Ooh. Let's do one more on there. All right, so as you guys can see, now we have our laces, okay? Next thing we're gonna do is flip our bag over. We're gonna take this flappy part towards the bottom and we're gonna fold the edges of it into a triangle. So it's gonna look something like that. Next, we will take our stapler. We're gonna do the same thing for the opposite side. Make a triangle. Stapler. Boom. We're also gonna do the same for the bottom part. Just gonna fold it like that. Staple it. Do that one more time, boys and girls. Sorry if I'm moving too fast. Let me slow down. All right, so your final result should look like, not results, I'm sorry. But it should look like this. All right, so when you flip it over, it has a pointy tip, but as you see, that's not. All right, it's all good. Next thing we're gonna do, gonna open up our paper bag. That's where the fun part comes in. You're gonna take tissue paper, ball it up. Or if you guys want to use cotton balls, if you have cotton balls at home, that will work as well. But we have tissue paper, so that's what we're gonna do. So just take a tissue paper, ball it up, and we're gonna put it up in there. We're gonna put it in there. Doesn't matter what color you use because no one's gonna see the inside of your football. I love football myself, boys and girls. As many of you know, my favorite team is the New England Patriots. Best quarterback out there is Tom Brady. He is the GOAT, greatest of all time. He's with a new team this year. But I'm still gonna root for my Patriots as well as the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. That's Tom Brady's new team. Some more tissue paper. Patriots have won 6 Super Bowls, by the way. 6. A lot of your teams haven't even have won 1 Super Bowl. I shouldn't have said that, but go Patriots. Our footballs, we're halfway there. We can put maybe 2 more tissue papers in there. All right, boys and girls, this will be our last tissue paper. Stuff it in there. Now to close this, we are going to do pretty much the same thing we did in the beginning with the bottom half of our football. It's kind of folded up into like a V shape where you have a point. A little trouble here, but it doesn't have to look the prettiest, you guys. We're gonna take a stapler, close it shut. Boom, boys and girls, we have our DIY paper bag football. I'm gonna test this out. I'm gonna throw it across the room. We're gonna not put that on camera, but we're gonna test it out. He caught it, my wide receiver caught it, and he just scored a touchdown. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I'll catch you next time.